G'day everybody, Voodoo902 here, and welcome you to another pack opening video. Alrighty, so last week I bought myself a box of the TeamCoach. Got all this junk in there at the moment, and I opened up 12 packs. So today I'll open up another 12 packs. So got some fairly nice cards last week. I got them right here. Just got myself the Clayton Oliver Magic Wild card, which I do enjoy. Got the Marcus Bontempelli, Kraft, and the Best and Fairest like Ryan. So that were some of the highlights from last week. Last pack opening, and when you see this video. So go open up another 12 packs today. So let's have a look what we got here. Make for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. Should have 12 back. 4, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Alrighty, so 12 packs of the day. There we go. So, without further ado, get straight into it. Don't waste no time. Just move over here. Got all my cards over there, so. Alright, it looks like they're continuing on with these stupid half-half. Harry Perryman, Paddy Cripps, Sean Wiedemann. Got ourselves the Adelaide Crows 3D icon. Not too bad, not bad at all. And Jack Zeeble, Star Powers legend, not bad at one bit. Alrighty. And I will sleeve the good cards because, you know, it's just how I do it. So I still haven't received the select cards because they haven't been released yet. They come out on the 10th, so probably the week after I do the third part of this one, I might get them, and then I can do the opening for that. So, got Goldstein, Adam Sarah, and very nice Nick Naitanui, Cardcraft number 3. Boy, that'd be very nice to grab the 3 of that one. Being a West Coast fan as well. Callum Mills, Gold, Lockie Neal out for a couple of months. Blue Cavs, Dustin Martin, and Jeremy McGovern. So he's just gone over to New Zealand and been uproar all about it, blah blah blah. Who cares in the end? Do what he wants. Club let him go and leave it as that. Alright, so that is nice. Look at the nice texture to them as well, I just felt that. Beautiful. Alrighty, so first card craft of the day. Second for the box so far. Alrighty, you got Jack Viney, Tom Papley, Tom McConing, no one cares. Rory Laird, Blitz, and we got Superstar Powers, Luke Parker, Wood, Dunkley, Prestia, and Kerno. If I say a player's name weird, my bad, but I don't care. The player himself can correct me, but I'll just keep moving on. Alrighty, Nathan Wilson. I really wish they'd fix this bloody thing. That's just annoying. Josh Kelly. Ben Keys. We got the North Melbourne Kangaroos. Male there. Female. Got some thick thighs. Brian Myers, Billings, McAvoy, Tom Stewart, and Dacos. Alright. It's a bit thicker, this one. Thick. Oh, there's an extra card in here. Maybe, who knows? We'll soon find out. Alright, Jordan Ridley, Brody Smith, Tuke Miller, Cy Pickett. We got May Mania, the Glitz. Here's the fist. Josh Kelly, Tom Hawkins, Jacob Mira, Noah Bolter. Yeah, I think we did actually get it on, did we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the 2, yeah. We got a bonus card. 10 in that pack. Tell by the thickness. Too bad it wasn't extra chase. Alright. Now I think they're all thick. I'm hoping they're all thicker. Jack Lever, Carl Langford, Jed Anderson. Beautiful, another best and fairest. Too bad it's Collingwood, unfortunately. Taylor Adams, still take it, but 17 other clubs I'd rather have it from. McInerney Prestia. Sorry to all you Collingwood fans. Sorry, not sorry. I'll shut that in. Top loader. There we go. Go next to knit that. Alright, James Robotham. Teddy Goldstein. Sarah, moved, lost one. After Burner, Darcy Byrne-Jones. Nicolai. He's got 4 legs. Bit unfair. Brody Mychek, Gold, and then, yeah. A couple of Collingwood here? No, a couple of Collingwood Carlton. That's the first glow we've got this today. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left today. If you're liking the video so far, give a thumbs up, leave a comment. John Ridley, Bruce Smith, Tuke Miller. We got St Kilda. I've been lucky with the actual club's 3D icons today. So we got the St Kilda Saint male version, who's looking ripped as shit. And the female St Kilda. Got ourselves a mega star player, Zach Merritt. Just taking a look at the light, the colours. Not the light card, it's just I like the colours. Pretty colours make me excited. Small things. Alrighty, 4 packs left. Still haven't got our green star powers for the box yet. So still something to look forward to that one. Callum Sinclair, Clayton Oliver, Benny King, Western Bulldogs, so another one, crap on it. Western Bulldogs. There you go. Eastern Wood, another Bulldogs. We've got the Legend Star Power. Got Yo, Dougal, Charlie, and Caleb. So there you go. Still got another 12 packs next video. to grab the good cards, so I'm not worried yet. 3 packs today. See if we can get another card craft. That'd be nice. Another card craft. Another one of the West Coast. Nick Nat. Hugh Greenwood. Kristen Salem. Got Flying Ryan. Luke Ryan. That is. That's a bit weird. Shouldn't it be Flying Ryan, Liam Ryan from the West Coast Eagles? They've bag it up there. Real. And Nick Nat gold card. I haven't got that one yet, so that would be nice. That's very nice. Go with the card craft Nick Nat. Toby, Lockie, Hunter, Cam. Yeah, whoever did that card either hates Liam Ryan or doesn't know the nicknames for people. Oh well. 2 packs today to go. Flying through them today. Cal Mills, Angus Brayshaw, and I just saw that. Nick Nui, best and fairest. I'm happy now. That is a stellar year last year. Very happy with that card, getting that one. And Jack Gunston, Cicely, Shuey, Marchek, and Daniels. Been a knick-knack opening today, that's for sure. Knick-knack, knick-knack. Knick-knack. Triple Nick. Nat. Paddy whack. Knick. There we go. Beautiful. Knick-knack file. Alright, last pack today. Was wasting a bit of time there. Just get on with it, you say. I can hear you. Last pack. Doesn't want to open properly. Just drawing it out a little bit. Alrighty, we got Nick Larkey. Andy Brayshaw, Jake Lloyd, and the Sydney Swan. Yeah, wow. Have a look at the 3D icons after this, but they've all just been the actual AFL clubs to this pack to open today, so interesting. Paddy Cripps, Megastar. I already have one of those. So, first double of the Star Power ones. There we go. Alright, so that was all the cards, all packs for today. So as a quick recap, Afterburner, Dustbin Jones and the Glow, Flying Ryan and the Glitz, Stephen Mania, Robo Rory, should I say? Christ. Now that I actually looked at the card, Robo is a robot, not Robbo. Robo Rory. Jack Gunston, Freddie Mychek, Todd Goldstein, Josh Kelly, Callum Mills, and got the Nick Nat as well. The 3D icons, which was very interesting, got all just the clubs. Got the Sydney Swans, both Swans, Bulldogs, the Saints, North Melbourne, and Adelaide. So what are the chances of that? Just getting only 3D icons and only getting the just the clubs themselves. Alrighty, Paddy Cripps. Looking at those lovely shine. Easton Wood, Legend, Mega, Zach Merritt, Future, Ryan Myers, Super, Luke Parker, Legend, Jack Siebel. And the last two we got today were the Nick Nat Best and Fairest and the Nick Nat Cardcraft, the number 3, which is the portrait, I'm guessing. Yeah. Beautiful. well, if you like today's video, give it a like. Yeah, I got one more video of this, the last 12 packs of the box. So stay tuned for that. But besides that, I'll leave you to it. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.